Hey folks, an isolated shower or two popping up on radar, mostly in Kennedy County earlier. There's actually a little bit of thunder and lightning in that briefly. All that's left now is, well, nothing. You can see kind of works its way just into the corner of Hidalgo County, kind of sideswiping Willacy, and that's it, and it's gone. Pretty much what we expected today was just something very, very isolated. 99% of the valley stays dry, and I think that's the kind of thing we could see again tomorrow, but for the most part, it's dry again. Take a look, just some overnight clouds during the daytime, partly sunny skies. Showers and thunder showers may fire up to the north of us, but most, if not all, will stay up there. We could see an isolated shower, just a very small chance of something. But again, most areas are rain-free, and that goes for tomorrow night and into the rest of the week as well. So we're mainly dry for tomorrow, about a 5% shot at something. And then Friday and Saturday, we should still be dry as the Big Ridge kind of builds back in for a couple of days. Heat advisory still in effect until 6 o'clock for all of the valley, for Cameron, Willacy, Hidalgo, Starr County, to the north of us, counties under that advisory as well. Here are your current temperatures, and it's still hot. 102 in McAllen, 100 Edinburgh, Rio Grande City's 108. Everybody else in the 90s, 92 at Port Isabel right now, still very warm there. No records set that we've noticed as of yet, but still, though, feels like it's over 100. Notice up and down the I-69E corridor, it feels the same as it does in Starr County. And a huge temperature difference between the two, but again, humidity much higher in the lower valley than the upper valley, so it feels just as hot. Westlake Edinburgh actually feeling cooler than everybody else. Low temperatures tonight around 80 or so. Again, have been below 80 in a few nights. And tomorrow's highs are very similar to today. 102 plus across most of the area. Brownsville about 99 and South Padre about 90. 97's the norm, and we're going to go 102, 102, 101 the next 3 days. So we'll be near the records, but probably won't break them. Look at the rest of Texas. It's finally cooled off up in North Texas. If you consider 93 cool, but compared to over 100 like they've been, better. Austin's 100, San Antonio's 98, 103 in Del Rio right now. Some showers and actually a cool front sitting in the state, helping to cool the northern part of the state. But don't get excited. The front washes out right about there. Doesn't get any closer to us than that. Will be the focal point for shower and thunderstorm development tomorrow. A very slight chance something could sneak down in here from that because the upper level wind flow is coming out of the north, but it's a very slight chance. The front stalls in the northern Gulf over the next few days. We'll watch that for any signs of any tropical development this time of year. You have to pay attention to that stuff. So mainly clear, then some patchy clouds show up later, about 79. Then tomorrow back to 102. It'll feel like anywhere from 105 to 110 when you add the humidity in. Another hot day. 102, some 101s. By the time you get to early next week, we're kind of holding steady, actually bring it back up again with an isolated shower perhaps showing up again, but isolated the key word. For the most part, this is a sunny and a hot forecast. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.